Here we have it, sweet and sour tofu with Fly by Jing chili oil. So once again, I've just finished filming and shooting, which I do right here on the floor since it's next to the window. So let's give it a try. I will say it's been sitting in the sauce, so I don't think it's crispy anymore, but we'll try it anyway. So here we have the tofu. It's not crispy anymore, but it's super good. The flavor, the sweet and sour flavor really comes through. And then you have a bit of crunch from the Fly by Jing chili oil. And that heat, if you're looking to cut down on your meat intake, if you're doing veganuary, and trying to look for vegan dishes, like this is definitely a great option. You got the pineapple, the bell peppers, the onion. Do a little steamed white rice. Yeah, this is super good. It's a little sweet, it's a little sour. It's got a really nice heat to it as well. It has a bit of freshness from the scallions, that extra sweetness from the pineapple, and it's really juicy as well. And I will say that Fly by Jing chili oil just makes such a difference. So if you want to get your hands on your own chili oil at home, make sure to use my discount code Indulgent Eats. You'll get 15% off your Fly by Jing order. So you can get the chili oil, the mala spice mix. All those flavors just make such a difference in elevating this typical Cantonese dish. You won't miss the meat. That's the best part. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more recipes. See ya!